Hey, I'm Crystal. Welcome to my channel, and I'm here to show you how to get this look, this longer, fuller look with clip-ins. I did get a big chop. I do want to do more protective styles, and I think this one would be so perfect. So I'm going to show you how to go from to this, okay, to this.
It's naturally crystal. Oh yeah, shining bright.
First, let's get into this unboxing. The packaging is really cute and luxurious. They give you a few items. I do love this little pouch, and it comes with a detangling brush, rose gold, and then it also comes with a sleep mask. I'm sorry, a sleep cap. It also comes with some extra clips that you can sew on if needed. For this look, I will be wearing the Water Jerry Curly Clip-In Hair Extension Set. This is for 3C/4A hair texture. They sent me the classic weft, but you can also opt in for the seamless weft, which I would prefer because the seamless weft is supposed to be lighter for thin hair types, which I have. I have fine thin hair type. I have a little bit of hair thinning, so I would want something a little bit lighter. So if that's what you're looking for, make sure you get that option instead. Before you put the clip-ins in your hair, make sure you are washing and conditioning them. I'm using Camille Rose's Guava Slip collection because it's made for detangling. But I also love how this hair is reacting to it. It is just so easy to detangle. This hair is premium Brazilian virgin hair. So you're able to wash it, condition it, cut it, twist it out, do a bantu knots. You can straighten it. You can do whatever you want with this hair. It's your hair. I cannot braid, so I did flat twist. I did flat twist all around my head, and I'm gonna show you the back. So this is how it looks because I can't braid. But this, okay, so this part is gonna be leave out though. That's why it is twisted back this way. Come and take it out anyway. But as for like the twist out, the twist that's staying in, I twisted this towards the front because I will be putting in the clip-ins, and I wanted the clip-ins to be able to hold on to this. So this was hanging, raining around. As you can see, the hair is pretty much dried up, so I'm gonna have to re-wet it as I put it in my hair, and I'm gonna show you how to style it. I'm gonna show you how to blend it. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna use this because this is really gonna help me to see the back of my head, because I wasn't looking at the back of my head when I was flat twisting, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna start with one of like the miniature pieces, and I'm gonna like put it at the bottom because my head not that big. So because just to go right here, I'm gonna put this in. But I'm also wondering, like, should I just style my hair as I go? I haven't seen anybody do that, like style their hair as they go. That's it. Easy. I think I should style as I go. We're gonna style as we go. Some water. We gotta wet it back up so you can have that water for the definition, so it looks juicy and all that good stuff. Okay, since I'm gonna use the Curl Define Mousse by Mayel, I'm also gonna use their leave-in conditioner. So I think I'm gonna just do a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna try my other detangling brush because like it kind of like adds, I don't know, we'll do something to the ends. See, it do something the wide tooth comb couldn't do. I don't know what it, like how it makes the curls just pop out when I use this brush. Yeah, you see the curls popping? I don't think you can see, I'm short. Yes, I'm just gonna repeat that process as I go. I just put this all the way up. Or is that gonna look, no. How, you trying to see how this look? Oh my God. Okay, I still have to style this. And I didn't even use all the clips. I mean, yeah, I didn't use all the clips. These are 3 small clips left. And then it's medium. Go ahead and hang that back up. I'm so happy I styled as I went. I'm happy I styled as I went. But I'm telling you to style as you go. Yeah, this made the process so much faster. It's time to blend our hair. Okay, we just gonna go ahead, undo this flat twist we had. Ooh, child. I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think it's blending. Hold on. Chill. Okay. Well, let's see. Do we just want to do basically just a flip over since I forgot to do the part? Okay, let's see. The curls are looking a little bit different. I guess because it was flat twisted. So I'm like gonna try to get the ends, which I wanted it to be flat twisted because flat twist helps stretch my real hair a little bit, but I'm gonna have to fix the ends so it can match with the rest of the hair. First of all, where's the top? It's not fully dry right now, but it's giving. Look at it. First of all, yes. Oh! Now, I could fluff this hair out and it could be nice and big, but I think I want to let it naturally get fluffy and bigger throughout the days. Even if I'm not going to wear it, like sleep in it or nothing, I think it's still going to get bigger by itself regardless. See, I'm just me pulling it together, pulling it apart because like a lot of the curls are clumped together. It's making it bigger. So let me, yeah. First of all, I'm gonna let this dry and come back, or I'm gonna diffuse and come back. Okay, I think it's about dry. I think it's dry. So I'm gonna just pull it apart, and then I'm also pulling it into like my real hair, just to blend it. But I'm pulling it apart to fluff it up. Oh, it's still damp right here. Dang it. Just know it's gonna look bigger when it's dry, for real. Yeah, because all the curls are kind of clumped up right now from styling, which is fine, you know. So just pull it apart. You kind of want to do this when it's dry though, so you don't create too much frizz. But frizz is not a bad thing, because frizz is real. So frizz makes your hair look real. So, and that's what I'm doing to blend it. I'm blending it with the hair. I'm just pulling it towards me and blending it with my real hair. So just mix it in there, pull it out. This is gonna be so much better when it's 100% dry. Right now it's just 90% dry. You know, I was gonna use the pick, but since it's not 100% dry, I'm gonna say the pick for tomorrow. Uh-oh. Maybe I saw a little spot, so oh yeah, let me add, we can add another clip. Okay. Shit, it's okay to see a little scalp, shoot. Okay. So I'm doing clips. I'm a person that does not know how to do weave. I don't know how to do weave. I don't know how to do clips. I don't know how to do sew-ins. I don't know how to do none of that. But this was so easy. So thank you. Thank you, Curl Queen. Thank you, Curls Queen. Yes, thank you. A new era for me and I'm loving it. I think this would be the perfect protective style for me as I grow my hair back. Yeah, this blends in. To me, this blends in perfectly. You let me know. I don't know. But yeah, if you have any tips for me, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'm loving it. Okay, love you, bye.